Hi, I'm Ray, and this is my garden. And this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some DIY projects and some flowers on the way. Today, we're just sorting out our pumpkins. Halloween has been and gone, and the wife chucked these into the dustbin, but instead of that, we're going to recycle them. We're going to make them into some bird feeders for the birds and the squirrels. So let me show you. So this is some of the pumpkins that I grew this year for the kids. And as you can see, they did the scary faces and we're quite pleased with the results, and they did really well. But to continue use, we're going to make use of these and we're going to use them as bird feeders. So for the smaller one, we're just going to get our knife and we're just going to cut it straight in half. Try and get it level, and like I have. So with this one, we've just left it half and half. Try and get it a bit more level. And with this one, we're just going to poke some holes. You can actually use the side. Poke a hole in the sides, both sides. And we're going to put our cane through one end and go right through the other side, and we've now made a ledge. So we can need to do the same on the other side. And this one can go right through to the other side. And then we can get our bird seed. And we can fill up the centre. And if I had some string, we could hang this up and string it up. The use of this basket, we can use the metal from here. We've just obtained this chain from the basket behind. It's a bit of a rickety old basket, but if we join all these chains together, we can use it to hang up the pumpkin. Spread the chains around, and here we go. That'll work, and we've got our pumpkin hanger. So let's hang these up. So for the larger one, this would be quite heavy to hang up. So what we're going to do is get our marker pen, and where the face is, we're going to draw a circular opening, and this will allow the birds to enter. And then we can take our knife and we can cut through this one. This one is a bit tougher, so it needs a bit of work. So we'll come back for this. And there we go. So now we've had our opening. We can now put our bird seed inside the centre. And the birds can come in and eat the pumpkin as well as the bird seed too. So that's just two ideas what we can do with our pumpkins, and it saves them going off to landfill. But we have to be careful not to put these too low so the hedgehogs don't get stuck and don't eat them. So these are going to go up high and let the birds enjoy the seeds and enjoy the pumpkins. So thank you very much, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much, cheers.